Welcome back. Our story. Our story to provide a good informational stories. Geo steps up 5G monetizations plans ahead of possible listening. ION RPU telco aims to add 1 million homes per month for 5G based fixed wireless access businesses. Reliance Jio is scaling up Jio Air Fiber, its 5G based fixed right wireless access FWA businesses by stepping up customers additions over the next 12 months. This is part of the company's strategy to accelerate 5G monetization in the run up to a potential initial public offering IPO by the year-end. Analysts and industry executives said Jio is now targeting to add 1 million air fiber customers within 30 days, and the monetization of its 5G network through higher data usage and the ramp up in air fiber subscribers should add to the excitement ahead of a potential Geo IPO in late 2025, and just subscribers should be at the excitement ahead of a potential Geo IPO in a research in late 2025 brokerage CLSA wrote in a research note. Officials at Geo said the company has started scaling up distribution and optimizing the air fiber onboarding process, which would enable it to connect over the million homes every month. Jio had over 2.8 million air fiber connections as of September end, and it is reckoned to have added another 1.9 million home broadband users in the December quarter, as per analyst estimates. Strong air fiber user additions can help break the 5G monetization's logjam since the monthly average revenue per user ARPU from 5G based FWA businesses is more than 3 times higher at 650 700 than mobile ARPU 195 in Q2 final years 25. A person familiar with Geo's air fiber subscriber expansion plans told Geo did not respond to queries. Understand Geo is understood to have spent over $25 billion in buying 5G airwaves and rolling out pan-India 5G networks. But 5G monetization has been delayed. This was a key reason behind the telecom market leaders' decision last July to raise the minimum threshold their hold for anyone wanting to avail its 5G mobile broadband services by compelling them to upgrade to a higher value based plan. To kick off monetization of the next generation mobile broadband service. However, analysts say Jio is now counting on expanding its base of higher ARPU, generating up air fiber users to hasten 5G monetizations, especially since the full beneficial impact of the July 2024 mobile tariff hikes will reflect only from Q4 final years 25 and Q1 final years 26 quarters as the telco has a higher share of subscribers on longer validity plans. Faster 5G monetization, they added, would also boost Geo's ARPU, a key performance metric in coming months, making the telco more attractive to investors ahead of a potential IPO. That is good, and comment on this article. What do you want to know in these articles?